G'day guys, I just thought I'd give my thoughts on the Renthal IntelliLever on their packaging, which unfortunately I've thrown away. It's listed as Unbreakable. Now you can see that the lever is made up of two colours here, this silver part and the black anodised lever part, and there's a spring-loaded tendon inside this alloy part here. So the premise is that when you fall off and the lever bends, it's a bit stiff to do just there on the seat, but the lever does fold away. It's spring loaded, and when you're sitting on the bike testing it near a shop or whatever, yes, it works very well. You keep it lubricated, that works, and what have you. But in practice, my second fall broke the tendon inside the lever on the clutch side. So I don't run bark busters, that's my personal choice, and I've had different brands of folding levers before. I thought I'd give the Renthals a go. I haven't been able to get my preferred Sunline folding lever. They've gone out of business. However, what I've discovered is that the clutch lever, I'm running a Sherco 300 SEFR with Brembo clutch and brake, and the clutch lever off my Husqvarna TE449 Sunline lever, which is unbreakable. That's been on my other bike for over 6.5 years now, and I guess that's why they went out of business. I've never replaced it, so I've been lucky and found that that fits. And then also got in contact with Fly in America. Unfortunately, the dealer for Fly in Australia doesn't bring levers and hard parts in, only clothing. But Fly now make the Sunline tri-pivot lever, which is the exact same lever, same packaging, just with Fly on it, that Sunline used to produce. So I now have a Fly tri-pivot brake and a Sunline clutch, and I'm back to having folding levers. Now, with regard to the IntelliLever, the local importer was kind enough to repair it, but they weren't very keen, apparently, according to my dealer. But yeah, after 2 rides and $127 Australian lever, having it broken, I was a bit disappointed. I was able to tape it all together and continue my ride. I was only about half an hour into a ride that was going to be 3 or 4 hours in the bush. So yeah, not ideal. The other thing is they do state it on the packaging, but this quite large area on the outside here prevents you from running your original hand guards, which I like. I love my original Sherco guards. They're quite strong. They're very similar to the KTM, made by the same company, and I like those. As I said, I'm not a fan of the big heavy bark busters. That's just my personal choice. So yeah, probably not one of the better ones if you're looking for folding levers. The packaging is a bit misleading. They're not unbreakable. They do certainly break. They will repair them under duress, but if you can get them out of the States, if you've got someone that can buy them from over there, these Fly Racing tri-pivot levers are the go. So you just have to match up the particular model for your bike. Currently they don't have stock of the clutch side levers, but they are reproducing them shortly. So early in this new year, 2019, you'll be able to grab clutch side stock of the Fly levers. Thanks for watching.